Dr. Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Programming in C practical video series. In this video, we'll discuss very interesting programs that is again a triangle, but generally we represent the triangle using two loop. But in this video, we'll see how we can draw this kind of triangle, left aligned triangle using a single loop. So let's start how we can draw this kind of triangle. So output we want this kind of left aligned triangle, but here we will not use the two loop. Instead of that, we'll use only single loop. So before we move to the actual logic, we can continue with the formatted printf function. Here friends, this thing we can do with the help of formatted printed. Now formatted printed is nothing but it is a printf function, but we can write the printf function in many different way. So how we can display this left align? So in that we will use a character array. So character array means string. So this is again, you see this character which is display in a triangle, that is something like a string. So here what is the maximum size of string? So total 5 character. So what we will do in this, we will declare one character array like str of 10 is equal to double quotation 5 star, and this character array we will display in this format. So how we can display in this format? So we will use the formatted printf. Now friends, we'll write the printf function in many different way. We'll see certain examples before we write the actual logic of this program, so you can get the overall idea. So how we can write a formatted printed? The syntax is like that: printf. Then first we are writing the format specifier like %s. Generally, if we want to display a string or a character array, then we are using the %s. In between we can mention two things. One is the total width of the string, dot how many character you want to display from this string, right? So here suppose let me take example. Here width we can mention positive or negative. Again there is a specific difference. If width is negative, suppose if we mention -5 for example, then the whatever string is display on screen, it display or visible at the left align. But suppose if you mention width as a positive value, right, then the string will be displayed at the right align. So alignment minus negative means left align, positive width means right align. So we discuss certain example so you can understand in that. For example, suppose our character array str10 is 5 star, that is one string. And in printf, suppose if you write printf %s then str, then our output is like this: 5 star. Whatever string is available, that will display. Here box, just for understanding I have mentioned the box, otherwise the output will be displayed like this, normal 5 star, because our string is 5 star. In terms of printf %s, here we have not used the formatting width and any number of character. So %s means simple, whatever string is available or a character array, that is display as it is. Now let's we add certain width and total number of characters. This is a second example. Suppose our string is 5 star, and in printf between % and s, we have to mention the width and total number of character. Now see here width is minus negative, it means total width is 5. It means it will this is not a box, actually it is not visible a box, but just for understanding of a visibility of the character I have mentioned the box. Box means total number of position. So it will display total 5 box, not display a 5 box but 5 position. Now -5 means total width of the characters, total width of the character is 5. Now -5 means the character will be displayed at the left align. And how many character you want from this string? So 0.1, 1 means only 1 star will be displayed. So what's about remaining 4? Instead of this box, it display 4 space on the screen. So that is one output. Now if the same printf, if we use in a positive width, so total width is 5 means it will display total 5 box, right? Here box means it display the 5 position, and here width is a positive, then the character will display at the right align. and point 1 means how many character we want to display, only one, so that star will display at the right side. What's about the previous 4? So previous 4 it display the blank space, so it looks like the star is displayed at the right line, and previously all 4 are the space. It will not display a box, but instead of box it display the space. Let's see the another example. Suppose in printf, if we write percentage minus 5.3s, so 5 means total width 5, so total 5 box, minus means the character will display at the left side. How many character we want? 3, so it will display 3 star out of the entire string. If the same width we will use over here, but in a positive width means 5, again total width is 5, positive means character will display at the right side. Then what's about how many character? 3, so 3 star will be displayed from right side, and total width is 5, so previous 2 are displayed as a space only. Let's see the another example. Suppose instead of both the value, we can make one value as a dynamic value also. So percentage minus 5 dot star. So here the value of this star we can mention over here as a variable. So minus 5 means total width 5, minus means left align. Now dot star, star means that we can change at runtime according to the value of this variable. Suppose the value of I is 3, then it means minus 5 dot, instead of star it put the value of variable. So star means whatever variable mentioned over here, that value will be substitute in place of star, and this str is indicate the percentage s. So from str means 5 star, it display only 3 star because value of I is 3, so instead of star it puts a 3. So 3 star will be displayed over here in left align because the width is minus. The same statement if we use in a positive, then 5 dot star, so in place of star it display the value of I means 3. So 5 dots 3 means total width is 5, width is positive, so right align, and how many characters? So total 3, so it display like that. And here see the total width we have mentioned constant, and total character it's a dynamic. Now we can also put both the thing dynamic, means minus definitely the character will display at the left align, but star dot star means first star, so first variable value will be substitute in place of first star. So what is the value of k? K is 5, so internally it consider 5 dot, and the second star which will substitute by the I variable, so value of I is 3, so ultimately this is 5.3 because value of k and I, and minus means left align, and total width is 5, and out of that we want to display only 3 character. Similarly we can also write like this, star dot star s, so percentage star dot star s, so the k value is substitute to the first star, I value substitute to the second star. So this is the actually 5.3, and here the width is positive, so character display at the right side. So this is the overall logic of these programs. Let me see the for loop, how we can write a single for loop. So we know that we want to display total 5 lines, so I is equal to 1, I less than 5, I plus plus, that is the loop, and this is only a single loop. Now from which character we want to display? Star. So 5 star we have stored in a character array, and that will display using printf functions. Printf percentage s, we know that the maximum width of this triangle is 5, so 5, and we want to display left align. So if we want to display left align triangle, then here we will give a minus 5. 5 is total width dot star, because in first line we want 1 star, in second line we want 2 star. So the number of star is depend on the line number, so line number means I. So here in place of star it substitute the value of I. So first time in first line it substitute 1, so 5.1 it means total width is 5, minus 5 means 1 star, and here 1 means 1 star, then it display from the str. Now slash n means now cursor move to the next line, and now I becomes 2. Now I become 2 means now the value of star is 2, so minus 5.2 it means left align 2 star, remaining will be display space. Total width is 5. then again it increment by 3. So here minus 5 means total width is 5, then dot star means 3, so it will display only 3 star, remaining is space. Similarly 4, it means minus 5.4, then it display 4 characters out of this string, then similarly 5. So in that way we can display the left line triangle using a single for loop with the help of formatted printf. So let's see the same programs in Turbo, see how we can write it. And here we will also compare how we can use two loops and single loop. So as I told you that in main functions we require total 2 variable I and j and 1 character array, that string you want to display in the triangle. So str of 6, 5 characters, 5 star we want to store inside. So double quotation 5 star. Clear screen. Then here using a single loop how we can draw this triangle. So I is equal to 1, I less than 5 plus plus, and in formatted printf percentage s in between minus 5 means total width 5 dot star. So in place of star it will substitute the value of I, and we know that the value of I is the line number. So first time in first line it display 1 character, 2 and comma from where you want to display, so from the character array, then printf slash n. So this is the first logic using single loop, and the second logic is the same triangle we can draw using two loop. So for that, for I is equal to 1, I less than 5, then for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, because in first line we want to display only 1 character, in second line we want to display 2 characters. So starting from j is equal to 1, j less than I, printf star, and after printing this line it will move the cursor to the slash line. If I execute this program, then see both the triangles are displayed with the same output, but the method of writing a program is different. Friends, this source code, this source C program source code, I have given the link in this video description part, so you can download this source code and you can do the practicals in your laptop or a desktop. So I hope friends you understood the new logics, this how we can draw this kind of triangle using a single loop, and in next video we will discuss again the another type of triangles like a number triangle using a single loop. Friends, in this video description part I have also mentioned the link of other theory and practical videos for your reference, and also source code of these programs that we discuss in this video. So you can download from this description part, and if you have any suggestion, feedback, please write in the comment of this video, and please share this video to your friends so they can also get the maximum benefit. So thank you friends, thank you very much.